Hi, so this is me and my dad playing Overwatch.
Hello. Alright, so what do we have to do in this game?
Well, we've got to escort the robot to the other side, or to further than them.
Alright, I'm gonna try and keep this big guy alive.
The big guy. Ah! I'm good. Oops.
Everyone's
He's
dead.
kicking.
We're not doing so hot on this one.
Phew.
Oh, I killed someone.
Oh. As the healer?
Yeah.
As Mercy?
Yeah, they had no health.
You've got more kills than me.
Moving out with the bot.
Here we go.
No. No. Oh, I'm gonna try and revive him.
What? Thought that punch would kill him. Okay, we're running. Here you go. Can you revive me?
Oh, instead of the tank?
Yeah.
Where are you?
I don't know.
It's gonna be hard.
Oh, I'm already back. My super's almost ready. Let's go.
Oh. Alright, I got a perk. Do I want 100 health when resurrecting or my range increase? I'm going with the range.
My super's ready. Yeah. No! So low health. Everybody.
You're coming back. At my expense.
And I'd probably get you.
Oh. Sana, I gave it my all for you. Literally everything.
Yeah, but I'm gonna decimate them with my superpower now.
Oh, let me boost you when you do that. Does that help?
I don't know, but it gives you assists.
Okay. Are you close enough?
I should be. Oh, no. I missed everybody.
I'm gonna try and bring you back. Okay. I did it again. I died saving you.
Living.
Take them down.
No! That person's good. Although we would have to sell really bad for them to win.
Meet your fate.
Okay. Oh my gosh.
Just hide.
Oh, yeah. Oh yeah. They're cooked. Where are they? Where did they go?
I'm like stuck in this thing. Okay, no. Nice.
Gotcha. Let's go! There, I didn't even use my super the second time.
Nice. I think I'll endorse
I killed him while he was
you.
using the super. Okay, see y'all in the next video.